your own. And if you feel weak, Jah is holding you.
You're never alone, never on your own. Keep the faith alive, keep your spirit strong.
Choose love, choose peace, one family. Choose hope, choose grace,
one family.
Some days the road gets rough, some days the tears won't stop. You smile outside, but inside your heart feels lost. If nobody told you today, let me be the one to say, you are loved, don't throw your life away.
Jah never leaves his children, even when the night feels long. He walks beside the broken, giving weak hearts a song.
Look how far you've come, don't forget your fight. The same God who kept you yesterday will keep you through tonight.
You're never alone,
never on your own.
and if you feel weak, Jah is holding you. You're never alone, and never on your own. Keep the faith alive, keep your spirit strong.
Choose love, choose peace,
One family.
choose hope, choose grace.
One family.
If our little songs helped you through one more day, then every word we sing was never sung in vain. You belong right here, you're never on your own. Around your stable, there's always room for one more.
Let's lift one another instead of pulling down. A little love can change a whole lonely town. Be the light for somebody, like the morning sun. Kindness costs so little, but it reaches everyone. When your faith feels small,
Jah is still so great.
when your strength runs low,
He will help you wait.
oh,
Don't stop believing.
don't give up today.
The shepherd knows the road, he will make a way.
You're never alone, never on your own.
And if you feel weak,
Jah is holding you. Yeah, you're never alone. Never on your own. Keep the faith alive, keep your spirit strong.
choose love, choose peace,
One family.
choose hope.